Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset onto your DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! So, first we want to expand the notifications here, and it's not what you want to see. You want to try again until you will see receiver settings. Now in here, you want to simply start scrolling to the right until you will see a section called General. Now you can click it. And once again, we should see brightness. We want to keep scrolling to the right until we'll see Factory Reset. Let's click it. We have a simple prompt to reset all settings. Let's hit Reset. Let's hit Confirm. And our receiver is now resetted, and as you can see now we can once again choose language, date, connection type and all of that. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.